Today I'm going to Tiger Cave Krabi. This is a small hike. This is the campus where till here you can come by car or public transport by cab anything or by taxi as well. I have lot of option till here. This is inside the entrance where you park car or where your cab will drop you. This is like a Buddhist monastery, so some statue is there and some temple. And you can get some food also here. Now going upside, this is the starting point to from where you have to just climb. I saw in pictures some stairs are there, but let's see what kind of and how. It's not very tall mountain or big you can say, but let's see. Have stairs I guess, and look like very too many stairs. I don't know after that is there a trail or something like that or same, but little congested. If lot of people are coming, you have to wait either somewhere down or it's like that. While going up, you can see the view. Till here, I think if you are good, if you don't have any problem in for climb stairs, then it's okay. Otherwise, you don't have to come this area because it's problematic, I guess, for many people who have problems in knees or something like that. Mostly prefer for young or some who like this or fit enough to climb, because usually stairs climbing and going down is bit difficult, especially, and have lot of stairs still here. I thought there may be some trail or something, but still climbing on stairs. This is the view for some road and villages there. This is the top. Sunset time is there. Some people are sitting here and watching the sunset. It's cool place if you come and relax for some time here. 360 kind of view. Here you can see the statue of that Buddha, which is famous. This one is the famous one. You may saw already in pictures. and this side you can see the town. It's a small town, not very big, but this is not like exactly town, but it's like some village area. Town is like little bit right side. Sunset view is good here. It's much better than this video. We, camera is not capable to capture this, but you can see the till far. I guess if come in morning, then more clear sky or more visible to like you can see more further than from evening view. This is also deck. Some people are sitting here. Many foreigners, like less locals and more foreigners are here. But it's a good place to check your fitness as well. That's like a Hindu or something Indian type of statues mixed with. It's famous in all over Thailand. Is like many temple have like same. That's all for this video. Just I want to show little bit. But if you are here and you can climb, then must you have to make a plan and see the view from here. It's nice experience you will get here. You can choose your time, early morning or